Hello, welcome back. In today's video, I will make a homemade and natural body cream without using an emulsifier. If you want to learn how to make your 100% natural cream, then keep watching. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, take the opportunity to subscribe. Leave your like and comment. Hit the notification bell and share this video and seize every opportunity to live a more natural life. The process is quite simple. I'll start with the beeswax, which I have here in bar form. For this recipe, I grated a small amount and placed it into a teaspoon, pressing it down firmly. Here I have 4.65 grams of wax. Having done this, I placed the wax in a container. Now I will add other oils. The first oil is almond oil, which is a source of vitamins A and E, as well as manganese and zinc. This oil will help the skin stay hydrated and soft, contributing to a more radiant appearance. The second oil is coconut oil. Here I will use 1 tablespoon and an additional teaspoon of this oil in its liquid state. I will leave all the measurements of the ingredients I am using in this recipe in the description below. Now in another container, I will put 1 tablespoon of rose hydrosol. You can use other hydrosols if you prefer. The rose hydrosol will already gently scent the cream, as well as offering benefits for the skin. And I will also add 2 tablespoons of distilled water. And in a third container, I will add a 1/4 teaspoon of vitamin E. If you prefer, you can add the essential oils along with the vitamin E to make it easier when mixing all the ingredients. Now it's time to melt the wax. I will put it in a double boiler on low heat, stirring occasionally until the wax is completely melted, which takes a few minutes. Once the wax is melted, I will transfer it to another container to make it easier to emulsify the 2 phases. With the help of a whisk, I will gradually add the hydrosol and the water into the wax and oils mixture. The wax will harden quickly as it cools, so do not stop stirring until the water is fully integrated into the wax. I'll speed up the video a bit for this process. In cosmetics, beeswax is not considered an emulsifier, which would fully integrate oil and water, but rather a thickener to help give consistency to creams. However, for homemade body cream recipes in small quantities that will be used quickly, beeswax will work well. Furthermore, the wax will also help to moisturize and soften the skin. Now just mix in the other ingredients. Here is vitamin E. And I will use just a few drops of frankincense essential oil. If you wish, you can use a few drops of other essential oils, such as lavender, chamomile, neroli, among others. Remember that essential oils are very potent and should be used carefully. After mixing well, I will add arrowroot powder, which helps calm the skin and also reduces some of the cream's oiliness. And finally, the preservative. Since we are using water, the preservative is essential to keep the cream protected. The preservative I am using, as it is natural, will protect the product for a maximum of 30 days. In addition to the preservative, you can also keep the cream in the fridge to help with conservation during this period. In the fridge, the cream's consistency will resemble a body butter. Now just put it in a jar, preferably made of dark glass. Before sealing, let it cool completely. Ready! Now just enjoy! Preferably apply after showering on damp skin. Avoid the face area as the skin there is different from the rest of the body. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share it with your friends. Hit the notification bell so you know when a new video comes out. Leave a comment below and see you in the next video.